This is the RGB LED kit that we sell. Each pod has 3 LEDs on them, and this kit comes with 4 pods. I'm going to show you how to use the remote. You just point it at the little box, press the on button, and then let's go with the solid color blue. And then, so I think that's on the bright setting. These 2 buttons right here, they adjust the color of the brightness. So it's hard to see on this camera, but and then you have all the different colors here. So I'm just using these buttons. There's also white. And then you can do flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. And then you can control the speed of all of these buttons with these 2. So I'll show you smooth. Okay, but that's on a fast setting. So let me slow it down. I guess that's as slow as it goes. Let's try fade. It's kind of a cool one. So it's going really slow. And speed it up. To speed it up, I'm just pressing this button and pointing it at the receiver. And then there's strobe. I think that's just white. You don't have any other colors. And then this one is flash. You can speed that up or slow it down. So this one's just changing through all the different colors. So basically when you get this kit, it will come all wired. You don't have to cut any wires or do anything. It's 4 pods is plenty to light up a bike. All you do is connect it to your bike or car's 12-volt system, and that's it. It's ready to go.